In this problem, we're given an image, and we want to find the equation for the graph shown below. So let's go ahead and find a couple components. First, we need to determine our amplitude. And if we take a look at our graph here has a height of 3 units. We also have our period. So we can take a look at this portion of our graph, and it takes 1 full unit for the graph to complete a full cycle. So our period, t, is going to be equal to 1. And remember, we need to find our omega value. So we can use the formula t equals 2 pi over omega. We know our t value here is a 1. And then we can go ahead and solve for omega. I can go ahead and multiply both sides here by omega. We'll cancel on that right hand side, and 1 times omega is just going to give me omega. So my value here is going to be 2 pi for my omega piece. Now I also have to determine, is this a sine graph or is this a cosine graph? And if we take a look at our first point, kind of it's plotted up here at the point 0,3, right, remember that the sine graph has to start at the origin. This one is actually going to represent our cosine graph. So let's go ahead and put all of our pieces together. We want it in this form. Right? Y equals our amplitude times cosine of omega x. Our amplitude is a positive 3. And our omega value was 2 pi. So here's our final equation. Y equals 3 times cosine of 2 pi x.